ಹಾಯ್ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಕೆ ಪಿ ಎಸ್ ಸಿ ಹೋಮ್. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆ ಸಿ ಟಿ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಗಾಯ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ಎನಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಲೋ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್, ವಿಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅದರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, look for the keyword. The value here, the first question is the value of acceleration due to gravity at a height of 10 km. For this question, the correct answer is option B, 20 km. Okay, the next question is I am just saying the keyword. Okay, you look for the full questions. Second one is Young's modulus of a periodic rigid body is, answer is C, infinity. Next question, you look for the keyword wheels starting from rest gains an angular velocity of 10 rad per second. For this question, the answer is A. Okay, 25 rad. Next question, the keyword is iceberg floats in water. For this question, the correct answer is 0.917. Okay, next one, a sphere, a cube and a thin circular plate. This is a keyword. The correct answer for this one is C. Okay, plate will cool the fastest and sphere the slowest. Okay, next question, look for the keyword adiabatic expansion. For this question, the answer is A, option A, decreases. Okay, next question is looking for a keyword a certain amount of heat energy is applied to a monatomic ideal gas. For this question, the correct answer is option C, 2/5. Okay, and next question, a tray of mass 12 kg is supported by two identical springs. This one, the correct answer is option C. Okay, next one, a train whistling at constant frequency n. For this question, the correct answer is D, conceptual. Okay, I mean this one. Next question, looking for the keyword, look at this diagram. Okay, for this one, the correct answer is option C. Next one, the electric field lines on the left have twice the separation on those. For this question, the correct answer is option A, 4 into 10 to the power of minus 4 Vm to the power minus 1, I mean m inverse. Okay, next one, an infinitely long thin straight wire has uniform charge density of 1/4 into 10 to the power of minus 2 centimeter. Also, I mean C. Okay, for this 20 centimeter. For this the correct answer is C, option C. Okay, next one, 13th, a dipole moment P and moment of inertia I is placed in a uniform electric field. For this question, the correct option is B. Okay, this one. Next one, the difference between equivalent capacitance of two identical capacitors. For this question, the correct answer is option C. Next one, for this figure, okay, the correct answer is option B. Next one, when a soap bubble is charged. For this one, option A is correct, its radius increases. The next question, a hot filament liberates an electron with 0 initial velocity. For this question, the correct answer is option C. Okay, next one, a metal rod of length 10 centimeter. Okay, for this question, the correct answer is option A. Okay, this one. Next question, a car has a fresh storage battery of EMF 12 volt. For this question, the correct answer is 10.4 volt. Okay, for next question, a potentiometer has a uniform wire of length 5 meter. For this question, the correct answer is option A, 4 volt. Next question, the color code for a carbon resistor of resistance 0.28 kilo ohms plus or negative 10% is, the correct answer is option A. Okay, red, gray, brown, silver. Next question, each resistance in the given cubical network. For this figure, the equivalent resistance between A and B is, the answer is 5/6 ohm. Okay, next question, the characteristics of a copper wire of length L, we have to find the slope of the curves becomes, okay, the correct answer is D, less if the length of the wire is increased. Next question, in the given figure the magnetic field at O, the correct answer is this C, option C, okay. Next question, the magnetic field at the origin due to a current element, for this question option A is the correct one. Next question, a long cylindrical wire of radius R carries a uniform current I, for this question the correct answer is C, I mean this okay, this one. Next question, a cyclotron is used to accelerate protons, for this question the correct answer is C, okay, deuterium. Next one, a paramagnetic sample shows a net magnetization of 8, okay, this for this question the correct answer is B, option B. Next question, the ratio of magnetic field, for this one the correct answer is X by 8, okay. Next question, in a permanent magnet at room temperature, for this one the correct answer is option D, domains are all perfectly aligned. Next, for this question, a rod of length 2 meters slides with a speed of 5 meters per second, for this one the correct answer is B, okay, 133, okay. Next one, next question, the current in a coil of inductance, okay, 0.h, this for this question 1.2 volt is the correct one, okay. Next question, in the given circuit the peak voltage across C, L and R are 30 volt, okay, for this question the correct answer is 70.7 volt. Next question, the power factor of RL circuit is 1 by root 3, okay, for this question the correct answer is root 2 ohms, okay, option B. Next question, in the given circuit the resonant frequencies, for this question the correct answer is C, 1592 Hz, okay. For this question, a light beam of intensity 20 watt per cubic meter square is incident normally, for this question the correct answer is option C, okay. Next one, an object approaches, okay, this for this question convergent lens from the left of the, for this question the correct answer is option C. Next question, the refracting angle of prism is A and refractive index of material of prism is cot A by 2, for this question the correct answer is option D, okay. The next question, the following figure shows, for this figure the correct answer is option D, 48 centimeter. No, it's 12 centimeter, okay, sorry, this is confused, please comment it below the right answers, okay. Next question, 3 polaroid sheets P1, P2 and P3, for this question the correct answer is option C, okay. Next one, 2 poles are separated by a distance of 3.14, for this question the correct answer is option A, 10.8 kilometer. Next question is in Young's double slit experiment, for this question the correct answer is D, 0.25 mm, okay. Next question, the de Broglie wavelength, for this question the correct answer is 3.33, okay, where it is, this one, option B. For the following figure, this the correct answer is option A, okay. Next question, the following the period of revolution of an electron revolving in the nth orbit, for this question the correct answer is option C, okay, n cube. Next question, angular momentum of an electron in hydrogen atom, for this question the correct answer is 1.51 eV, okay. Next question, a beam of fast moving alpha particles, for this question the correct answer is this also the answer is very confusing, okay, please comment it below, okay, which one, either A will be maximum in C is minimum, or this one, okay, A will be maximum and B will be minimum. Next one, 2 protons are kept at a separation of 10 nm, for this question the answer is B, okay, and this is also confused, please comment it below the right answers if you know that, okay. Next, for this question, the correct answer is option C. Okay. Next, radioactive elements. For this question, the correct answer is 0.75. And next one, a 220 volts AC supply is connected between. For this one, the correct answer is option D. Okay. Next one, for this circuit, the correct answer is option B. P equals 0, Q equals 1. Next question, a positive hole in a semiconductor is. For this one, the correct answer is option B. Okay, a vacancy created when an electron leaves. Next question, two long straight parallel wires. For this question, the correct answer is option B. Next question, a cylindrical wire has a mass. For this question, the correct answer is 4. Okay, measurement of its density is 4. Next question, at a metro station, a girl walks up a stationary escalator in 20 seconds. For this one, 12 seconds is the answer. Okay. Next question is, rain is falling vertically with a speed of 12 meters per second. For this question, the correct answer is option B, 45 degrees towards east. The next question is, one end of a string of length L is connected to a particle of mass m. For this question, T is the correct one. Okay, T is the tension in the string. Okay. Next question, a body is initially at rest, it undergoes. For this question, the option B is T, small t is the correct one. Okay. Last question, a thin uniform rectangular plate of mass 2 kg is placed in XY plane as shown in figure. For this figure, the correct for this question, the correct answer is 50 centimeter. Option A is correct. Okay, guys, please, it's unofficial key answers. Okay, if any answer is wrong in this video, please comment it below the right answers, which will help other students in finding out the correct answers. Okay, and also please subscribe to the KPSC Home and give us a like. Okay.